Hi, my name is Sandrina Gomez and I just graduated with a Bachelor's of Business Administration Honors specializing in logistics and supply chain management. Today I received the award for the best performance in my specialization. I would like to extend my gratitude to God, my parents and to my amazing panel of lecturers from SLIIT. My journey in SLIIT has been a wonderful experience. I learned so many things throughout these 4 years. I got more than what I bargained for, going more than academics. I've developed my research skills and my soft skills. So I would like to extend my gratitude to SLIIT for giving me this wonderful opportunity to shine in my field. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to SLIIT representatives, panels of lecturers and non-academic staff for giving me this opportunity to expand my skills. More than just my academic skills, I was able to develop my soft skills and my research skills. And I think SLIIT is a wonderful place for learning. And the amazing infrastructures and facilities help me have a very wonderful journey. So I would like to thank SLIIT for giving me this opportunity.